Nice. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the C6 again. Going to be upgrading the taillights with some infrared tails with the infinite halo, sequential, all that good stuff. Just gonna kind of make it look better and how I like it. So let's go. The taillights that I got are the infrareds, which are the infinite kind of halo style with sequential and amber, red, all kinds of cool stuff. You can actually even set them up to have reverse lights in them so you can see it really, really good at night. And I think they're gonna look really good on this thing. So this is kind of what the taillights look like. Obviously there's a mirror inside to kind of give you the infinite halo look, and these are gonna look really, really good on this car. Now also inside the box they have these little ambers inside, which I think are kind of silly, but depending on where you are, they probably have to be on there for some sort of legality type deal. The actual taillights have 3 switches on the back. That's your US spec, your sequential, and also your amber or red. Super simple. Obviously plug and play for the harness itself, and this is just optional for your reverse lights if you want to tack into that, which I'm not going to do on this car because my backup camera already gets kind of fuzzy with just how bright the lights are already. Now on the car, there's just a bolt here on each single light, and those are just going to be a little T15, so I'm going to get them out. That easy. Then just lift up the light and it kind of pops right out. And boom, easy. Mint. Now, also, you can kind of see in here, look at that. That looks really good. Nice sequence, perfect. Obviously, way, way brighter than stock too. Sequential's on, amber is off, the red, much brighter, look a lot better, and that's the option that I'm gonna keep, but I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the options here in a second. Obviously amber on the right here, and then red on the left. So you have options to change that, as well as sequential or non-sequential. But I think the red's probably the way to go here. On the left, kind of trails over, otherwise you can have it solid blinking too. Bam! Now all that's left is just putting these screws back in, and we're done. Oh yeah. As you can see, it looks killer. So good. When they're off, they still look actually really good on the car. 10 out of 10, would do it again. That is a great look for the car. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'll change it up, do amber, something like that. I'm not sure. But as always, thanks for checking out the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Everything helps me out. We'll catch you guys next time.